Both sticks down and in. All right. And okay, please note that the minimum satellites for takeoff is 7 satellites, which is good. We're going to lift off right now. All right. So we are currently facing north, which is going to be in this direction right here. We're going to turn around. There we go. There we go. Whew. All right. So I think we can put the manual away for now. Yeah, and looks like you're still recording. Okay. Come on, tablet. Connect to the camera. I know you can do it. So why don't we start recording right now? We have a long hold on the, I think maybe, do we need, okay, let's back out of the app. There we go. The device not found, huh? Searching. Okay, we got our drone up in the air. That's at least good. We just have to make sure that the phone app, or no, that the camera app is seeing things. All right, let's. DJI Mimo. There we go. Connection. Searching. It was connected earlier. Oh no, we don't want to be connected to Holystone, no. We don't want to be connected to that. So, there. Not on the tablet at least. On our phone we do. Maybe that's what I was having a problem with before. Two devices fighting. Okay.